Brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to register on TI job and how to link it with your WhatsApp account. So guys, as I normally said, I will not advise you to use your main WhatsApp account. Find a new phone number and register with it, then use it. If your main WhatsApp is important, don't use it, but if it's not too important for you, you can use it. So I'll advise you to find a new SIM card, use it and register. Here is the app. So let's dive in. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe, share the video for more friends. As you can see, my balance, I have total of 2,575 coins. So if I would like to withdraw, I can withdraw it. You can see account withdraw. So let me show you. You see, if you are in Nigerian, Pakistan, Bangladesh, you can still withdraw it. Yes, all of those countries can withdraw it. Yes, this is withdrawal details. I have not withdrawn yet. The one I withdrew earlier, I delete the information. That's why you see it like this. I mistakenly delete the information. Okay, earning details. As you can see, I'll be able to earn in this platform. As you can see, I have earned a lot of money in this platform. So guys, kindly do well. I'll drop the registration link in the video description. So guys, don't jump any part in this video, because if you jump any part, you may miss the important part. So let's dive in to our tutorial on how to register. Now I'm going to log out on my account. Now I'm going to log out. As I log out, just come on this register. See, enter your phone number. Please enter account name. You can enter name or phone number, it's still the same thing. Enter password, confirm password. You see this enter invitation link. Once you click my link, you will see the invitation link. They will give you 2,000 coins. Once you register, they will give you 2,000 coins. Once you register with my link, they will give you 2,000 coins before you connect it with. So once you are done registering, you just click on this register. Me, I've already registered, then I'll just log in on it. When I log in on it, you see, just log in. Let me show you what commission you are going to get when you register and when you invite a user. As you can see here, make money for free. As long as you have WhatsApp, you can earn income without paying any fees. The more WS account you have, WhatsApp you have, the more money you can earn. You see, share your link, you can take 20% of the first level tax commission and 10% of the second level tax commission. So guys, if you share it, the link to your friends, just share the links to your friends, guys. They will give you a commission, and you can use that commission for something else. So that commission, you can convert it into money. So you see this check-in, you can come here. You can come here every day. They will be giving you coins. But before you start claiming the coins, you have to link your WhatsApp number to this account, to this phone number. Okay, if you guys take this serious, you guys will make massive money on these platforms. That is why I say, I know that you will be afraid of losing the phone, the WhatsApp account. That is why I say, do not use your main WhatsApp account number. Go outside there and buy a new SIM and use it and make money. If you take this thing serious, you will make a lot of money in this app. Yes, I mean it, because I know how much I've made in it. I know what I've eaten it. So if you take this serious, you will earn a lot of money on this. In a week, you can make up to 20,000. Yes, if you take it serious. when you are staying online, you make a lot of money with it. Yes, I'm serious with it. You see, today tax I just earned 500, and today has not finished. This after 10 after 10 in the morning. Just today I've just earned 500. Just calculate before I reach night, how much am I going to earn? So guys, I'll drop the registration link in the video description. Just use it, register guys, and start making money with it. Yes, thank you.